Sunday. Back at it once again, folks, and you see I got the camera back. That's a blessing. Folks, I appreciate you tuning in. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload these videos, all right? We're about to get into it once again. I'm back at the Elk River. You see Tim's Ford Dam behind me, and we're back to get it in again, folks. It's going to be a great day. Let's get to it. Oh, yeah, I know. Oh, I see it. Aha. Aha.
Tiny little flip.
Got him.
Got him.
First.
And he got him. Yes.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I feel like a man.
Yes, you see him, fish number one on the goat minnow, first of many.
Brown tail.
Brownie. Ooh, you got hooked right through the nose, buddy. Good job. That's how you take that. All right, folks, you see him. Brown, ooh, you got teeth. All right, buddy. Brown trout number one, folks, you see him. Appreciate him getting on. Beautiful little fish there. Peace out, buddy. Immediately.
Just hit them into the boat and then let them hopefully.
Yeah. Fish number two, folks. You snapped that up, good guy. Appreciate that, good buddy. Ah, yeah, there you go. Fish number two today, folks. I just threw it in there, and he just bit it. Appreciate him. Peace out, buddy. Come here. Come here. I got you. You're a nice size one, buddy. Nice size one. Yeah. Calm down. Calmate. Appreciate you getting on, buddy. You're a nice sized little guy right there. Fish number three, folks. You see him? Nice rainbow. Appreciate this buddy getting on. You ready to go back, brown trout? Let's let him go. Oh, I got that trout magnet in my finger. That's nice. Real nice. Guys, see this?
Swift, you know what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
There may be some trout sitting in there. With the gout sitting in there. Man, I'm watching them swipe at it right here. I'm just watching it right here.
Got one, I think. Yeah, I got a little one. Fish number four, he hit the boat.
That's the best thing to do.
It is, get right back to fishing. Got another one. Five. You get into the boat, buddy. Oh, no, don't jump over the boat. Oh, you hit the boat. Good job, buddy. You knew you wanted to count. You got to be on the video, buddy. You're famous. There you go. Fish number five, folks. You see him? Peace out, buddy. Breeze.
And they're jumping all around. They're jumping everywhere.
Got one. Ah, he let go.
Just get another one.
Oh, yeah.
Just get another one. Just do like this, up to the heart of the tree.
You want it. I see you.
There you go.
Come here. Come here, six.
There you go.
Appreciate you, six.
Here, I got one. Double.
Double in there.
Look here, Don.
Trout magnet. Gold minnow. I apologize, buddy. I don't want to squeeze you too hard. Where's it?
And he got away. That one didn't count. But I hadn't been counting them
6. Peace out, buddy.
It works too. There you go. You're on. You're on.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's already on.
That's crazy. This is crazy, folks. I just literally put this in my rod holder. Was about to relax. And this fish, number 7, nice sized brown trout, wants to come say hello to you people.
Oh my goodness.
That's amazing. Yeah. Now he's growling at me. He's annoyed. Appreciate you getting on, number 7.
That was cool.
You folks see him? I'm just trolling that trout. That gold minnow right behind me. Peace out, number 7.
Yeah, this one's no good. Yeah, we can't get over there close enough. Right as I say that. We can't get close enough to catch a fish.
Is it a rainbow? Yep.
Big one. Big rainbow.
Appreciate you, buddy. Hey, you gotta calm down. You gotta calm it down, my guy. Calm it down, my guy. Yes, I'm gonna get it out your mouth. I apologize, all right? Folks, you see that little rainbow trout? Snapping up a gold minnow, as he should. What is this in the water right here? Oh, it's a rope. You need a stringer? There's a fish on it. Yep. You guys see the stringer in the water here? There's still a fish on it. I'm gonna try to get him off. Got him. All right, folks, fish number 8. I'm gonna get you off there, buddy.
What'd you find?
A stringer with a nice sized rainbow trout on him. It's my pet rainbow trout. Got a trout on a leash. On behalf of the humans, I apologize. Get this out of here. I'm sure this was an accident though, folks. Nobody would purposely stringer a trout and let it go.
No.
There you go, buddy. Take it easy. Nice sized little brown trout here.
Try to let him get off. Keep him over the water.
There he goes. Okay. I think I'm getting the hang of it now. Get off, buddy. You can free yourself. Good job. Yeah. You folks see it. Another fish. I don't know, 12, 14, something like that. Supporting. First cast with this new lure. Did an awesome job catching this little guy. Little brown trout.
Out of the package, first cast.
Catches a fish. You chomped this in there, buddy. All right.
Man, he's smashing. That should do.
Okay. Nice one.
Hey. Big.
Appreciate you, buddy. You a nice sized brown trout. Might be my biggest one of the day, fella. Appreciate you. We'll call you fish number 30. Why not?
About right.
Yeah, that's you. If you can let go of the hook, you can get back in the water, buddy.
Mine's bigger.
Oh my God. I thought something fell in the water. It did. It was a fish.
That was a trout.
All right, brown trout, number 30. You see him.
I'm right around.
Big fella. Peace out.
55.
All right, folks. That does it for this one. About to get out of here. I had an awesome time out here on the Elk River. Did a lot better this time than I did last time, so I'm very happy about that. Appreciate you all tuning in, and once again, hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload these videos, all right? But, folks, remember, there's a lot of river out there. I'll catch you all on the next boat flip. Peace.